Hey, David families. I want to teach you guys something new about looking in the Destiny library. So you log in through Clever and you go to Destiny. Then you pick our school just like before. Go ahead and log in. Log in. Remember, that's when you log in with your GTID number and your birthday. Okay, so go to catalog and then look over here. Again, I have more things than you would, but if you look over here, look, there's a thing called Destiny Discover. I want you to click on that. And then look up here, recently added books. Here are all of our brand new books that we just got in the system today. And when you click on see all of them, look what's right here. There's a hold button and it can tell you if they're in. The only thing, oh, it does show you. You got your little AR. There's an AR level. It's over here to the right after you actually click in. So guys, I just wanted to share that with you and show you this neat feature for Destiny. And you search up here just like you would anything else. So I'm just to be sure, let's type in sharks because you know it's summertime. And here you go. Here's all the sharks. Here's your AR level. You can click on hold. It tells you it's in and everything. Let's look up here and see our websites. Websites about sharks. You could click on that. Look at that. You could learn everything you ever want to know with little articles. So when you have projects to do this year, you can use these as sources. There's videos available for you to watch and something that's interactive. The news source. Pretty neat, huh? And then let's look at databases just out of curiosity. Encyclopedia of Earth, ERIC, Awesome Library. So there's more sources in here. Open educational resources. Here you go. So video, all kinds of neat things. Anyway, so y'all play around with Destiny Discover and see what you can find in here. But as a reminder, oh, you got an accelerated reader over here. There's 178 books in the library about sharks that have an AR. Anyway, recently added books. There's all our new books. So y'all go in there and enjoy them and see what we've got. Put these things on hold. See you soon. Bye.